Mark Sullivan thought his biggest worry that summer would be the heat. Instead, it was the brand-new community shed the HOA built sitting several feet inside his legally recorded property line. As a civil engineer, Mark knew land measurements weren't suggestions, they were law. So he calmly emailed the HOA, attaching parcel maps and asking for an explanation. He didn't expect the response. A chain of hostile messages from a board member who relished authority, accusing Mark of interfering with community improvements. Days later, a violation notice arrived, claiming Mark had obstructed HOA operations and owed a fine. That's when Mark switched gears from polite to methodical. He pulled the original county survey, highlighted the precise boundaries, and cross-checked every coordinate. Then he installed a camera facing the encroaching structure, capturing HOA contractors stepping onto his property without permission. Every email, every notice, every inconsistency, he archived it all. When the HOA doubled down, threatening legal action, Mark simply said, "If you want court, we'll do court." And he meant it. The hearing room was quiet, except for the shuffle of paperwork. The board arrived confident, insisting the shed was within common area. But Mark's presentation was surgical. He showed dated satellite images, certified surveys, and even the HOA's own archived map, contradicting their claims. His final exhibit? Footage of HOA workers crossing his property line during construction. The judge didn't need long. The HOA had trespassed, had misused authority. They had knowingly ignored documented boundaries. The verdict was blunt. Remove the structure at HOA expense, compensate Mark for damages, and update governance procedures to prevent further abuse. The board member who sent threatening emails faced formal censure. The room fell silent as reality hit them. They tried to bully the one guy who understood land law better than any contractor they hired. As workers dismantled the shed weeks later, neighbors quietly thanked Mark. He wasn't looking for revenge, just justice. And justice, backed by evidence, had spoken loud and clear.